In this video, we will be going over the suggested workflow that you should use when creating voice threads, as well as voice thread assignments. If you have not done so, you will first want to create a voice thread homepage link. If you need help doing this, refer to the tutorial video, Creating a Voice Thread Homepage Link and Why. So, getting to the point of assigning a voice thread to your students is generally a two-step process. You will first create generic voice thread templates for your possible activities that will be uploaded to your homepage. Then, when you are ready to assign a voice thread activity, you will build out the assignment in the voice thread interface, creating a copy of the original thread and making specific edits that you need for that activity. We are first going to look at building templates. For this task, we will look at the computer laptop side first. Basically, you will build artifacts and then upload them to the voice thread to finish the process. As a reminder, you can upload various file types that include static documents like Word docs, PDFs, and pictures, or multimedia files like videos or audio. What you choose will somewhat depend on the type of activity you plan to do. Will it be a lecture where you may not need to have students interact or comment? In this case, it could be a video or mainly video, but also include a couple static slides. As a reminder, VoiceThread displays content in a slide format similar to PowerPoint. So, if you need a video, you will then use an app like Zoom, Kaltura, or other video/editing tool to create your videos. If you are looking for students to post comments or feedback on various topics that you are bringing up in your lecture activity, you may want to build out a PowerPoint instead. Then, when it's uploaded to VoiceThread, you can add comments to each slide to prompt conversation and feedback. And you won't need to add that extra step of creating a video of yourself talking through the PowerPoint. One thing to note, students can leave comments in either format. If it's a video, they can adjust the playback cursor to a specific time and leave a comment. It's up to you how to present the activity. If you want them just to watch, lean towards a video. I would, however, suggest if you want them to comment, lean towards a PowerPoint. If you do choose this option, you will need to take an extra step and export the PowerPoint as a PDF file. Due to how VoiceThread operates when displaying static images, the formatting that is included when making a PowerPoint does not carry over well, and items can get cut off. Once you have all of the artifacts ready, you will then go to your VoiceThread homepage and begin the process of creating a thread. Choose your VoiceThread homepage link. The homepage interface will then open within D2L. You may notice that the window might be on the small side. To help you work more effectively, you will want to do the following. Find the Open in New Browser window icon in the top right corner. Choose it. Another window will open with just the home page displayed. If you look at the left side of the interface, you will notice a toolbar. We will take a deeper dive into each of the tools in a different video. For now, you want to go to the top of the list and choose the plus icon to the right of the home icon. This tool is for creating a new thread. Now, we will finish the process of creating a thread template for a future assignment. A box will open labeled Let's Get Started. Here is where you begin to upload your content. Note that we have 7 ways to either upload or create content for the thread. Again, we will take a deeper dive for each of these 7 methods in a different video. For our general workflow, we will be uploading material from our computer or device, so we will choose Add from Device. A search window will open where you can choose which file on your computer to upload. A new window in the VoiceThread interface will open where your file will be processed. For our example, we are uploading a PDF of a PowerPoint we created. When processed, we will see each slide. The first task you will want to do is name your VoiceThread. Click on Untitled in the top left corner. A box will open where you will fill out additional information, including the name of the thread. Next, you can set the default settings for the thread by clicking on the settings text. Note that these settings can be readjusted when creating an assignment with this template. Next, select all of the slides that you will use for the thread. Note that you can reorder the slides and also add more media to the thread. Once you are ready, open the VoiceThread for the next set of edits. The comment display interface opens. Here, you can add comments, directions, and annotations to each slide. If this were a video or audio slide, you would probably not complete this step, since you probably already included it in the media. You could, however, add additional comments if you wish. Once you have completed your edits on your slides, choose the back arrow icon, which is in the top left corner. You are now back to the previous window that displays all of your slides. The last thing you need to do is choose the home icon to get back to your list of threads. You will notice that your new thread is now in the list and is ready to be chosen for an assignment. This completes our look at the general workflow when working with VoiceThread. If you wish to continue looking at the tutorial videos, the next step in the process would be to create an assignment. So, look for Creating an Assignment in VoiceThread.